In this video, I'm going to show you how to get updated totals automatically from your data table right here in Google Sheets. So you'll see here on my spreadsheet, I have a table. And if you're new to this pre-built tables here, which is a new update in Google Sheets, I have a complete tutorial that I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out later. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide in the description below that you can also check out. So going back to this table right here, I have a sales table complete with the products, the units sold, the price, and the sales. Now let's say I want a total for the sales that automatically updates when I add new data. So here's how you can add that. Also, we don't want to have that total to be at the bottom because that would mean we'll have to scroll up and down just to see the total. What we can do is to place it here at the top, right above this table right here. So let's add some rows, and we can add a row by clicking on our row number 1 right here, right click on it, and select Insert One Row Above. There you have it. That's one row. Let's add 2 more. I can select these 2 rows right here, right click, and select Insert 2 Rows Above. There you have it. So here I want to add the total sales, or the grand total for all the sales for this column right here. So before we get started with the formula itself, I'm just going to type in grand total sales right here. I'm just going to format it maybe in the same color as our table headers. So go to fill color right here, go to this pick custom color and put it over that color. Also format the text into white, make sure that's seen. We can probably also increase the size. There you have it. And once you're done with that, we can now proceed to our formula. So we're going to start with our equal sign, then type in sum. So we're going to be using the sum function to total all those sales. Now we can do this value by value, like comma, select the second one. So that's the long version of how you can do this. And so instead of doing that, what we're going to do is to select that range, which will reference to the table name and the column name. So the table name is sales and the column name is also sales. And if we press enter right there, it will give us the grand total of $2,480.90. So this is already the calculated total for the entire sales right here. If I were to add more information, let's say we have another product right here. As soon as I enter new data right below that table, it will be included as new data for the table. So let's say that's the product name, it's a type of envelope. We have 30 units sold. The unit price would be $3. And if we go to the total, that's going to be your units sold multiplied by your unit price. Press enter, and there you have it. Now we have a new grand total, which automatically updates as soon as you've added those new information. If I were to add total right here, let's say an additional $120, press enter. There you have it. Pay attention to the number as it increases as soon as we add new information to our table. There you go. So again, you can format this to any way you want. Make sure that is in the middle. Increase the size as well. And there you have it. So any new data added to this table will automatically update your total at the top. Now make sure when you add new information that would be just right after the table. If you add it after a space or after a cell right here, it will not be included to your new total because again, it's not within that table range. Because according to our formula, if we double click right here, anything that's included within this range right here will be the one totaled for your grand total sales. And there you have it. That's how you can get updated totals automatically from your data table right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.